So for this video, we will find again the GCF or the greatest common factor. So we have here 25x to the fourth minus 15x cubed plus 20x squared. So again, hanapin natin kung ano yung common sa tatlo. So for this case, ang common sa tatlo sa 25, sa 15, at saka sa 20, ang common nila is si 5, di ba? Si 5. Dito naman sa x to the fourth, x cubed, at x squared, common sila, no? X, tsaka x. Tapos, ang copy lang natin dito yung common. And then, we have to write the exponent, yung pinakamaliit. In this case, 2. So, yan po yung kanilang GCF. And then, copy lang natin yung given first, si 25, x to the fourth, and then copy natin ulit si negative 15x cubed, and then itong si 20x squared. Tapos itong 5x squared na nakuha natin, i-divide natin siya isa-isa. Okay? 5x squared, tapos 5x squared. So, yung magiging answer niya, okay? So, let's divide 25 divided by 5, that's 5. Tapos yung x to the fourth divided by the x squared. So yung x to the fourth divided by the x squared is actually equal to x to the fourth. Ayan. Tapos yung 2 dito, minus yan siya kasi same sila ng base. So it will become x squared. So lagay natin dito x squared. So same dito sa second natin na term, negative 15 divided by 5, that's 3. Oh, negative 3 kasi may negative. So, x raised to 3 divided by x squared, again, we will 3 minus 2, magiging minus po yan, subtraction. So, 1 na lang yung natira. So, 3x na lang yung ilagay natin. Tapos, 20 divided by 5. Okay, so that is 4. Ayan. Tapos, x squared divided by x squared, of course, that will be same pa din yung kanina. Magiging x2 minus 2. Okay? So, that's x raised to 0, where x raised to 0 is equal to 1. So, 1 na lang yan. So, our final answer now is, i-copy lang natin yung ating common. Itong si 5x squared, yung kinuha natin kanina, this one. So, let's copy that. 5x squared. Tapos, i-copy natin this one. Okay? So, will become 5x squared also minus 3x plus 4.